Hello, grade 4 students. Good morning. We will learn today about natural resources, new words and question answers. New words. Renewable. 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 NON. RENEWABLE. Non-renewable. If you split these words, renewable, both are same words. Non, if you add, means it is opposite for renewable. If you split this word, you can see here renewable. So non, renewable. So you got like this. Resources. 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 PERSONAL. 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 Domestic. 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 INDUSTRIAL. Industrial. CANALS. Canals. CONSERVATION. Conservation. REPLACED. Replaced. GENERATION. Generation. DEFORESTATION. Deforestation. FOSSIL. 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 AFFORESTATION. Afforestation. Afforestation means planting trees. EXTRACTING. Extracting. IRRIGATION. Irrigation. ENSURE. Ensure. MULTIPURPOSE. Multi-purpose. DAMODAR. Damodar. PROCESSES. Processes. TANKA. Tanka. FETCH. Fetch. Fetch means bring. TRADITIONAL. Traditional. HARVESTING. Harvesting. DITCHES. Ditches. Answer the following questions. What is a natural resource? I put the slash, so you have to group the words. Learn to group the words. Nature has gifted us with many useful things such as air, water, minerals, plants, animals, birds, and so on. These valuable and useful substances found in nature are called natural resources. Second question. Why do we need to conserve resources? Need for conservation. Natural resources are essential for our life. We are using up natural resources faster than they can be replaced. Overuse of fossil fuels to generate energy has resulted in the pollution of the environment. Question number 3. What are the uses of water? Water is used for personal, domestic uses such as drinking, bathing, cooking, washing, and so on. It is used for irrigation in agriculture. Water is also used for industrial purposes such as extracting natural gas from rocks, paper making, and other industrial purposes. What is drip irrigation? In drip irrigation, pipes are laid along the ground so that they are near to the soil and roots of the plants. Water drips out from these pipes and keeps the soil moist. Drip irrigation helps in reducing the wastage of water. What steps can be followed to conserve water? Do not leave the taps open when you are not using water. Use a bucket instead of a shower to take a bath. Store rainwater for future use. Throw tissue paper into the waste basket rather than flushing it. Fix the leaks in pipes in the kitchen, bathroom, or any other place at home. Factories must treat the polluted water before releasing it into a water body. With this, our natural resource question answer is reading practice done. The reading practice of question answer is done today. So kindly look at this video and learn the question answers to read and recite. Thank you, children.